Let it out.
I need my $5.
No, I'll get some more today, don't worry. I had to do some shoveling today anyways, I'll get some. Just keep on letting it out. The more crap you cough, the better it gets out of your system. The more you fight it, your system will fight it when you keep on coughing. Because it's getting crap out.
Gosh, no.
I know, it's annoying. Yes, I know it's annoying. I have that too. I cough every 5 fucking minutes.
And it's 20.
No, you don't have to.
Good. Or you?
Alright, I forgot all about that, dude. It's yours. I don't want to.
Yours too. That's what I said before.
No, well, I'm dizzy.
Tuesday.
Another thing, that makes me dizzy. It's another thing it does to me, though, over the days. It makes me dizzy.
You gotta be glad to stay before you want on 20 before you move.
I know. I feel like sleeping, but I can't.
You need to take a knife out of it. I was trying to scrape off the,
I don't give a shit.
wax.
Yeah, it's good. It's
I
alright.
figured just put it in the sink.
Yeah, and it washes it and it makes it better.
So after a while, I was like, nah, I'm gonna leave this thing alone. It'll pop
Christ.
off by itself.
I'm having this dizzy feeling.
It'll pop off. I felt better.
Jesus Christ. The other thing it gives me is all this weird dizziness.
Like what?
The flu influenza shot. Ever since months, I've felt the dizziness, and it comes every now and then. Oh, maybe it's sick as fuck. Man, it's all sick as fuck.
Who's this all?
You and I.
True.
That's what they're trying to do, kill people. Oh, now it's only 10% active, so you can get the flu now, any day. 10% active. Stupid fuckers. It's just left the third. It's just left the fourth thing alone. Oh, put 4 in there to help people. Yeah, right. That's what made everybody so sick, and that's why everyone's adapted to it. If they let the third forensics in there and then follow it adding the fourth, it'll make everyone better. I never felt this shit before from a flu shot. It's only a year it killed me. They put it in everybody. They kill everybody. I don't know. They think it was going to do well. No. Just let the fourth forensics alone. That's overseas shit. Yeah, but what was in that virus thing is for what the goddamn medical community put in. Not Concord Hospital. I mean the main medical source of New York City. New York City makes that shit for everybody.
The man with the fat jeans.
Yeah, I hate him. Yes, he's a fucking stupid fuck. Yeah.
He gave the shots to me and you.
Yeah, fuck him, dude. It's fucking.
That was Big Bubba #1.
Boy, whatever he was, covering for some. He's covering for that Irish lady.
Why?
You're not gonna see him again. He's just a cover guy. He covers for everybody.
No,
He ain't gonna, yeah. I know. You're not gonna see him anymore. You're gonna see him He ain't gonna be here. He's just a cover.
Girlfriends.
They're going.